In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Illinois in 25. If you've been thinking about setting up your business and you're gearing up to make it official, you're in the right place. And here's a little bonus for you. If you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll be directed to a special page where you can start your LLC for just $0. That means you'll only be responsible for paying the mandatory state fees, no hidden costs involved. So make sure to take advantage of that link and set the wheels of your business in motion. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First off, head over to taylorbrands.com. Once there, you'll want to specify Illinois as your chosen state for the LLC. Ready to dive deeper? Click on Get Started. Up next, it's time to think about what you'll call your business. Enter your desired business name and click on Try this name to see if it's available. Now, click Next to continue. Let's talk about your business offerings. Whether you offer physical goods, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, technology and software, or any other type, just make your selection. If you're undecided or unsure, you can opt to skip. Moving forward, identify what stage your business is in. Are you just harboring an idea, taking the first steps, about to launch, or already in business? Choose what best describes your situation or skip if you're undecided. Next, indicate when you plan to launch your business, whether it's as soon as possible in a few weeks or even later. There's an option for you to mark. And remember, skipping is always an option. Continue by specifying your business industry and detailing what your business offers, whether it's physical goods, professional services, or something else you can articulate on your own. Click Next or skip this segment if it's not relevant yet. Are employees in your future plans? Indicate whether you intend to hire in the upcoming year. Hit Next to proceed. Next, set or reflect on your annual income goal. Less than $80,000, more or undecided. Choose your answer and continue. Now, enter the postal code where your business will operate. Are you selling online in a physical store or on the go? There's a spot to capture this detail. However, skipping is always available. Thinking about starting an LLC? Make that choice known and progress by hitting Next. Reflect on what you've already accomplished for your business and consider which boxes to check, or leave them all unchecked if none apply. A quick question follows about how you discovered Taylor Brands. Answer it or skip as needed. You'll then learn about the opportunity to join a free 12-week business coaching program. Opt in by joining the program or choose to bypass it. On to the business details. Fill in your name and contact number, then click Next. To hire employees and open a bank account, you'll need an EIN. Opt for help or retrieve it solo via IRS Gov. Apply for your EIN directly, and once obtained, swing back to your Taylor Brands LLC setup to continue. Options to elevate your professional image with a branding toolkit are available, should you wish. Whether to get it or skip is entirely up to you. Expedite your LLC formation. Fast track it in 2 days with a paid option or opt for a longer wait at no cost. Additionally, staying organized is key. Grab a formation kit to keep everything tidy or skip if it isn't necessary. Real-time business notifications are on offer. Choose to be notified or manually keep track. Notice that the Lite LLC plan is set to cost $0. However, remember you'll have state fees totaling $153.38. Extras, like expedited filing or operating agreements, can be enabled for additional costs before proceeding to payment. Once satisfied, proceed to payment. Select your preferred method, PayPal or credit card, and satisfy your dues. And with that, your Illinois LLC is officially underway. Congratulations! And remember, if you haven't already, check out that link in the description or the pinned comment. It's your gateway to starting your Illinois LLC for just the state fees. No extras. Go ahead and take the leap today.